Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Chili for days, you say? That's right! This chili is thick and creamy and so delicious. Get ready to wow your family with this amazing chili recipe.
Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Tonight we are making chili con carne, aka chili with meat. As chili is one of the best comfort food on a cold weather. Also, watching Super Bowl is never complete without chili. So what are you waiting for? Let's do it!
Something I really love about making a good pot of chili is how much fresh produce preparation it needs. To this recipe, I added 3 kinds of peppers. I hope this chili con carne gets you all cozy this winter. Alright, let's begin. On a medium heat temperature, let's add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, followed by 1 whole of yellow onion. Dice up the onion the best you can without too many tears. 1 whole of green and red bell peppers, cut into small chunks depending on your preferences. I also added 2 Anaheim peppers. And also, let's add 3 cloves of garlic, minced. Saute for about 2 minutes. Moving on, the star of the show here is 1 pound of ground beef. Can I substitute a different ground meat? Oh, if you must, yes, ground chicken, pork, or turkey both work for this recipe. Let's add a half teaspoon of black ground pepper and a half teaspoon of salt, followed by 2 cups of beef broth. Looking great. 1 1/2 cups of pureed tomato sauce. Next, 1 1/2 cups of diced tomatoes. And also 1 1/2 cups of pinto beans, followed by 1 1/2 cups of kidney beans. Then 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of dried crushed chili. Next, 1 tablespoon of cayenne powder. And lastly, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. How much do we really know about the history of chili con carne? When it comes to the story of chili, many food historians agree that chili con carne is an American dish with Mexican roots. Chili con carne was introduced to America by the Chili Queens women who served food in San Antonio, Texas, and it's also the national dish of Texas as early as the 1860s. Going back to our chili con carne, after 45 minutes of simmering in a low heat temperature, I think it's ready. Notice that there is no mention of frijoles, beans, in chili, because chili originally had no beans. But now, of course, chili is versatile and there are regional varieties of the dish. You can go wild and add all the toppings you love to make this chili even better. I added 1 tablespoon of sour cream, cilantro, and of course, the cheese. This is looking great.
Let's try it.
Wow, this is good. Ready?
The cheese. It's amazing. Wow.
And of course, you can't go wrong with tortilla chips.
I love eating chilies with the chips. Mmm. Wow, so good. What a delicious, savory chili.
This is perfect for your Super Bowl party. It doesn't matter if your team wins or loses. You have these bowls of chili for comfort. As usual, Super Bowl parties are more about food than football.
Wow, so good and hearty. Seriously, soul warming. You better try this. It's really good. So good.
That is cooking simply delicious. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time!